This is a review of the ceiling fan that I bought recently from Lidl with LED light on, and it's really nice. So I want to show you that it really works really nice without any noise, and it makes a very beautiful. It's very nice. Maybe the LED could be a bit stronger, but for me it's really good. I don't want to be something blind my eyes. And also this, I bought this because I want to have a nice fresh air in the evening without the strong feeling of the AC air conditioning. So please watch my review and let me know what you think. Now we begin the drilling. We recommend during the drilling have a hoover to absorb the dust, to not make the room dusty. So this will be the hoover. So,
Hello. Hello. I'm just putting the rope rocks inside. But it looks like it is the small ones. Hang on a minute. We just have to change the drill a little bit. We're not so experts. Okay.
wow.
It's drilling. Now it's drilling. Okay.
Yes.
Hoover.
That was also testing on the position. Okay.
We just made a little mistake there. We drilled a smaller holes. Now we have to make a little bit bigger. Okay, give me the red. Okay, give me the red. The red rope blocks. The red ones. Two of them, please.
Two red Robux.
Oh, this is a little bit big one. You give me a little bit smaller one. Thank you. There you are. Okay, that's lovely.
Now we're gonna install this part, right? From this, nice. This is the first thing you're gonna install, and this is gonna go on the roof in order this to get on it. So, as you may see, this will be the C part in your instructions. As you may see, you have some electric part here that you can connect this directly. Asking the electrician to do that, but this is the way how to do it.
Shit. Bring me the pliers, please.
Pliers.
Pliers. I'm trying to connect now the earth.
Now this, after you have installed the thing on the roof, this is what is left to put together. So basically you need to put together the blades and put the blades onto the spinner, right? And now we're gonna show you how to screw this up to put this together. So basically, you have to now we're gonna do the A and B structure. The A says that you put this.
So listen, if you put the screws and everything up, you must put them correct. You must put a washer, a spring washer, and then you put the washer. There you are, the washer. You put the spring washer, and then you put the screw to tie it up so it doesn't come loose. Otherwise, it would come loose. Do you understand or no?
And now we're going step B. Step B, you unscrew.
And you screw. Okay, put it up. It's pretty fast, isn't it? That's it. You can let it go down. Okay, give it another one more spin and we almost finished. There you are. Put the last one up too. You have to screw them in very slowly until you put both of the screws in, otherwise it's difficult to get them up. That's it. Okay, lovely, lovely.
So,
all lovely jubbly.
This is the whole setup of the fan. So it should spin this way, it should make air stream towards down. Make sure that it spins well, is well installed before you put it upstairs. Okay, let's go to put it in the room. There's a way, there's a safety pin that you can only remove the motor. So
As you can remove the motor, but the electricity is on as well. Yes. If you want to make this shorter, you can make it shorter or you can make it longer. That's the reason it's there for. It's nothing else. We don't make it longer or shorter. Okay, mate, just it here.
okay.
Hang on a minute, hang on. That's it. Let it go. Okay, now we have to screw it. We have to put the plug exactly where it should be. Otherwise, this thing does not work. So you put in the plug like that. Put it in the plug, right? Now what you do is you put this one there, and this one over the other side. And you turn it a little bit in. It should.
Right, very, very nice.
Thank you.
Wow.
Thank you.
So I'll quickly put the safety screw to keep it in. One sec. Oops.
Okay, now I have to put the other screws inside. So we move them around, take the screwdriver out.
Can we start it to see before?
No, we cannot start it until we finish. Otherwise it's gonna fall on our head. Is that what you want? You want it to fall down on our head? We have to wait until everything is set up, screwed in, because the other screws is the ones gonna hang on to it, not this one. Okay, we take the screws out of the pocket. Everything's set up, right? And now we put the next screw in the hole and screw it in the hole. That's it. Okay, I found a little hole, screwing it in. They are the safe ones, and the other ones are not so safe. Otherwise, it falls on someone's head. And then we screw this one in a little bit more, right? Now we go down the stairs and we go around the other side so we can see the other screw. I hope I can see the other screw. Let me turn around this way. Yes, thank you. Lovely, lovely. Let me see, yes. It could be right here. Put a little light more. That's it. Now we take the screw out of the pocket, the next one. So we put the screw on the screwdriver. It's very, very small. You have to be very, very careful not to grab it, otherwise it's difficult to find the little screw. That's it. We tied this up correct. This is the correct way. And we hope it spins the correct way, but I think it does. Okay, well, look, here it says right and left. In case you made a mistake, come around the side, show the people around the side. You see here, there's a right side and there is a left side. In case you made a mistake and the ways are correct, the wrong way around, you turn this around and it spins the other way around.
So it's a flip sheet.
Yes, it flips the other way. It goes right or left. So now you must give us the light, put on the light, and then we put on the rest.
Okay.
No. You didn't give me the light. You have to give me the light first.
The light bulb.
Because the light bulb, otherwise it's not going to work.
Έχουμε πολλές λάμπες. Αυτή είναι μια που είδαμε.
Καλά είναι μια λάμπα μέσα.
Είναι έχει.
It's got also the length as well. What fits up as well. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's lovely. Hang on to this for a minute so we can put this up, Sonny boy.
Oh, that's nice.
Here's number Sonny boy.
Wow.
Is it switched on? Oh my God, look at that. It spins around.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
Just enough.
So this is here. Oh my God, now look at that. That is lovely. Of course now it's running on full. Now we put it down a little bit down. A little bit more down. Okay. Now we're going to put this bolt inside and then screw this up as well. Okay,
So turn up.
we have to unscrew the screws a little bit. We turn it off so it stops spinning. Of course, you can also turn it off by the switch there as well. It works on two sides. Switch or the light. Sponge, what's that money?
No.
It's only 50 euros. We just bought this from Lidl. It's only 50 euros. Oh my God, it's lovely Lidl's around. Look at that. Oh, that looks lovely. I'm just screwing in, just gently, not so much, only just for this to hang it up on the other side. That's it. It's one more on the other side as well. Just do it slowly, slowly. That's it. That looks lovely. It doesn't rock at all. So now you can change the light here. It's a yellow one, but you can also put the white one. So this is full speed. Picking up speed. Oh, it looks nice and fresh here now. Now it's dropping down a little bit. Now it's dropping down a little bit more. So you put it on slow and it's lovely. So you want the light off, you switch it off. You switch it on, you switch it on. So now what you can do, because it's a little bit low, you can put a nice string there and get it lower to come down lower. Or otherwise you can turn this off like this, or you can have it like that.
Nice. Thank you for watching our review video. I hope you like our video. Please like or subscribe if you like the video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.